So I have the Qure mask, and literally nobody's videos online show instructions, and the pictures are really hard to see. So I thought I will just make a little video showing you how. So you go through here, then you go through both of these. So let me fix the strap. Then this little guy has got to pin it in place. I put this in and I tried to snap it straight in. Well, that doesn't work. So you have to go like this. You go in, then put the pin in. Then you can pull the tension, pull it, and it snaps in place. Then you're all set up.